2 weeks after the brutal gang rape, the first of 5 fast-track courts for speedy justice will start as the court reopens after the year-end break. The Chief Justice of India will inaugurate the first fast-track court at Saket today. This court will hear the gang rape case on a day-to-day basis. This is the first time 5 fast-track courts are being constituted by the Chief Justice of the Delhi High Court. All these courts will start functioning from tomorrow, that is the 3rd of January. Delhi police is already ready with a 1000-page charge sheet in the gang rape case. Sources say shocking details are emerging on the Delhi gang rape as per the police charge sheet. The accused Ram Singh, the driver of the bus, wanted to run over the girl after brutally raping her. Joining us for more on the story is my colleague Sonal Mehrotra. Sonal, even as the police have readied their charge sheet, there are shocking details emerging from it. What are the charges and other details in the charge sheet?
Ketki is quite a horrific case which has shocked the entire nation, and as we can tell you that we have accessed details into the final charges which are likely to be included in the charge sheet. The police, and the most shocking of it that you just mentioned, the driver Ram Singh wanted to run over the girl post that ghastly incident because that would have helped him in a matter of fact to get clear of the evidence. It could have been proved to be one of those cases of hit and run. But we know, fortunately, or as you may call it, the friend was able to save her from that. Second, they've also been able to access CCTV footage from the South Delhi Mall, which they had left. That will help them piece together the exact sequence of event that took place that night and help them in the case, help them to prove this entire case in the court of law. What's also emerging are the profiles of the victims. The police is very keen on profiling the victims and proving to the court that these people were known to have, bad behavior earlier. Ram Singh, for that matter, is known to be a drunken man with the abusive habits, and that is also going to lead to a strong case being put together against them. So all these things coming to the fore now as the police and the judiciary, in fact, all eyes now to ensure that a strong case is registered against these people, so that the outrage which has been coming out in India, not only in India, across the world perhaps, is able to culminate into some action. Ketki?